Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Squaw Lake, Minnesota, a small town tucked away in the northern part of the state. This community was officially incorporated in the early 1900s during a time when logging and trapping were central to life in the area. The town takes its name from the nearby Squaw Lake, which was a well-known landmark for early settlers and travelers. Surrounded by forests and lakes, it has long been a gathering spot for fishing, hunting, and outdoor recreation. The history of the Ojibwe people is deeply connected to this land, and their traditions continue to shape the culture here. Many visitors come here to enjoy the natural beauty, from calm waters to abundant wildlife. Whether you're here to fish, explore the woods, or just enjoy the peace and quiet, Squaw Lake offers a true taste of northern Minnesota. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Squaw Lake, Minnesota.
Thanks for watching!